Hello everyone, my name is Samantha if you're new here. I go by Thrifty on a Dime on all my social media platforms. In my channel, I just talk about different ways to make money online and in person, part-time, full-time, or maybe you're just looking for some vacation cash or house repair. Be sure you do hit that little bell icon and subscribe to my channel. I'll be putting out all kinds of content and hopefully a little bit different than other resellers, as I do run my business a little bit different than other people. So I'm excited to share different things like that with you guys. And if you're not new, welcome back. Thank you so much for always supporting. Today's video is going to be solely focused on sharing a little bit more information on Style Encore, Plato's Closet, and different buy on the spot stores, and kind of sharing tips and tricks on how you can utilize those stores to make money on the spot. And then if you're interested, taking that money on the spot, buying stuff from them to flip online as well. So sounds like a mouthful, but tune in guys, because I've got a lot of content to share with you in a little amount of time. Okay guys, so I got a card in the mail from Style Encore basically saying, thank you so much for selling to us. You keep our racks full, Style Encore team. And there for a while, and they gave me a coupon for 10 off of 30. There for a while, I thought that they were annoyed every time I came in because I would come in with like 8 bags of clothing. And these are typically items that I have specifically sourced from garage sales, the bins, or gotten from friends and family for free that I know I don't want to take the time to list online, whether it be it's only like a $10, $20 flip versus my time, which I really want to spend on higher dollar items. So I will just specifically set those aside to take to Plato's and Style Encore to sell with them. So you're only going to typically get about $2 to $8, maybe more depending on the brand and style or whatever the item is. So just keep that in mind. Also, something that I did before even going to the store to start, pulling stuff aside for them is really scoping out what they're buying, what brands they're buying, what the price points they're buying them for. Familiarize yourself with this, because although it sounds like, how am I ever going to remember all of this? If you continuously go into that store and you take a bag at a time and you ask them questions, hey, what are you taking right now? Hey, how come you didn't take this item? How come you didn't take this item? They don't mind sharing with you, why they didn't take an item, what to specifically look for next time, and what they're currently buying the most of at that time. So if you keep doing this, over time, you're going to gain that knowledge and it's going to be become second nature. So after years of doing this, now I can literally be at a garage sale. No, I'm picking this up for Plato's. No, I'm picking this up to sell online. No, I'm picking this up to sell to a consignment or take it to a consignment store locally. So I have gained that knowledge of what I'm going to take where by going in there multiple times. And I don't mean like every week or something, but a couple times a month, and then just browsing their racks, seeing what styles they're buying, because in my area it's going to be different than your area. I am in the Midwest. This style in Plato's is actually in Terre Haute, Indiana, which is about an hour from where I live. So yeah, that is something. Okay guys, I'm back. This is my daughter Gemma. She just got up from a nap. I was hoping to finish this, but I didn't. So yes, I have a lot of questions on what sells there. How come the stuff I'm selling isn't what's selling to them? And the reason why that is because you're not figuring out what is selling to that store. So again, familiarize yourself with what's they're currently selling and then the price points. And then over time, you'll gradually understand what to pick up and how much for. Also, something I do is I always request a printout of each item, what they paid for it, so that I can take the receipt home and study it at home. Hey, they bought American Eagle skinny jeans for this price. It was graded this, grade F, whatever, because they grade their systems, their clothing different. But anyways, get the printout that they give you on each item. So that's more studying information. Now, I know people are like, oh my gosh, I have to add all this onto everything else reselling. You don't. But I'm offering this as another alternative, especially if you have loads of inventory and you want to get it off quick, or also if you have the ability to purchase a ton of inventory, but you don't want to list it all online. So this is just a great resource to utilize to either make fast cash, or you can do what I do, and 50% of the time I will actually just stay in the store and I will shop around, because at these stores, they have a max they can price items. So what that means is you may get a designer piece. For example, they had teaks in there and they priced them at 80s. And I was able to use my 20% off coupon and trade-in value to get them pretty much free, flipped them the same day for, what was it, 150. So that's just an example. Yes, it's not a huge profit, but I knew those shoes would sell for more than they had them priced at. And I knew this brand would sell like that. So I was okay with paying up for them and utilizing old inventory to trade in for new. So sounds like a mouthful, but let me repeat what I just said. So what I will do is take the credit that they bought for my items, and I will go through their store, scope out designer brands or anything that I know is going to sell for the price that I want online and it's going to be worth my time. I'll pick up their stuff, go trade it in for what they bought from me. That way I'm not out any money that day. I didn't pay any money for inventory. They actually paid me. I swapped it out for inventory with them. And what's awesome is I always get coupons for selling with them. So I have like thousands of points. So every time I go in there, no matter what I buy, I can use a coupon, which is 20% off. So not only am I getting it at the discount that they have it priced at, I'm also getting it at 20% off. So I get all kinds of stuff like Dooney, Michael Kors. And again, yeah, I pay up a little bit for it, but I'm smart on what I choose to pay up for, knowing that it's going to sell quickly. And again, this is something that you're going to learn over time. Don't beat yourself up if you don't know everything instantly. What you have to do is keep doing this every single day, and it will become second nature. So that's all I have for you guys today. I just wanted to share just a little bit about what I do at Style, Encore, and Platos for a little bit extra cash. So if you would like more information or anything broken down a little bit further, I know you want it to go mwah. Just let me know in the comments below, or maybe say hi to Miss Gemma so I can show her the comments that you guys said. I hope you all have an amazing day, and don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and share this post. Mwah!